Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Coinomi wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Coinomi wallet on your mobile device, then first go and tap open your Coinomi application and make sure that you are inside logged into your wallet. From the main homepage of Coinomi, go to the top left hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu. Tap the default wallet drop down from the top and tap on Manage Wallets option at the bottom and get to your Manage Wallet page. Click the three dots right next to your default wallet you'd like to delete from your Coinomi wallet, and from the options displayed on the screen, go to Recovery Phrase and first back up your recovery phrases if you've not done that yet. Since you won't be able to get back to your account once you delete your wallet, the only way you can get back to your wallet is simply typing in the recovery phrases. So first make sure to go ahead and back up your phrases if you've not done that yet. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone, including websites, online services, and other wallets. Doing so may result in permanent loss for your funds. Tap on I understand the risk in order to reveal your recovery phrases, but make sure no one is watching on your screen right now. Type in your password for your wallet in the text box and tap on unlock in order to reveal your recovery phrase. Once you back up your recovery phrase, simply go ahead and write down your recovery phrase in a piece of a paper and store it somewhere safe. And once you've backed up your recovery phrases, you can now go back to this Manage Wallet page and tap on the three dots right next to default wallet you'd like to delete, and now you can simply tap on the delete button in the pop-up. One more time, tap on delete default wallet, but make sure you have your recovery phrases once again. And once you tap on delete default wallet, and that way you'll be able to delete a wallet on Coinomi. If you ever want to get back to your wallet, simply tap on restore a wallet and type in your recovery phrases that you previously backed up, and you'll be able to get back to your wallet again. That way you can easily delete your Coinomi wallet on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.